within the first 3 to 4 days, you would see a significant lighter skin. And within the first 1 month, that's 4 weeks, you will get up to 4 shades lighter. And I'm not even joking. Now, if you like to see how I made this wash that you can use for your face and your body to get a whiter, lighter, brighter skin, however you want to call it, then keep on watching. Hey fellow skin gang, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sele Kalio and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer, skincare formulator. If you want safe science-backed skin whitening products, skin anti-aging products, just basically skincare products that is backed up by science and can protect your skin barrier and your microbiome, then you're in the right place. Today we're making a gentle skin whitening wash that will give you results in as little as 1 month. Hell, in like 3-4 days you will see visible significant difference on your skin. So the first thing we're going to need is, of course, our scale, our beaker. Make sure everywhere is clean and all of that jazz. All right, next we're going to go in with our cocoa betaine and our water. Now this is the base of our formula, which is the surfactant base, the surfactant phase. We're going to go in with our water. Now, if you would like this product to be thicker, you can share the water percentage into 2 and put 1 part water and 1 part propylene glycol. But this particular formula was made to come out as a foaming wash, but my foaming container did not get here on time, so hence you will see what I will use to store it. But yeah, and then next we are going to go in with our SCI, which is our primary surfactant in this product. This is what is going to cleanse and do all of that jazz. If you've been following me for a while, you know about this product. But for those who do not know, SCI is a gentle surfactant that is usually called baby foam due to its mildness. So that's why we're using it here as our primary surfactant, because we're going to use this product on our face as well. And next we're going to go in with our SLSA. This is also a mild sulfate-free surfactant that is also derived from coconut and palm oil, right? It is popular in skincare products and it is also very gentle, so you can add it in your face wash as well. Now, this combination of surfactants will create a creamy lather without being harsh on your skin. Hence, it is in a face product. Now, go ahead and mix. Go ahead and mix that thoroughly. Like I said earlier, if you are looking for a shower gel consistency, then include propylene glycol in this phase and deduct that from your water on this phase, if that makes sense. If you don't understand, leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll try to explain. Now put that on a double boiler. Make sure that you are heating gently. You don't want to burn any of the products on this any of the ingredients, so you're heating at low heat. Allow it to dissolve gradually. Okay, yeah. Now while we're waiting for the surfactant phase to dissolve, this is our star ingredient. It is our Porcelain whitening concentrate. Now if you have taken our concentrate class or our concentrate course, you know about this ingredient. If you like to learn more about this ingredient or you want to buy it, please send us a WhatsApp message using the link in the description bar, or you can join or get our concentrate course or our hydroquinone course to learn more about this particular ingredient. Now next we are going to add maltodextrin. Now maltodextrin is a stabilizer, so it's acting as a stabilizer in this product, and it can also help with absorption of other ingredients as well. So it is considered safe for sensitive skin and is used in wide variety of skincare products, hence we're using it here. Okay, this is going to help to enhance other ingredients that we are going to include in this wash. Did I mention that maltodextrin also helps with hydration? Yes, it does help to hold moisture and help to keep the skin hydrated. And you know, this is a whitening product. We want our skin barrier to be safe. Okay. Now, next we're adding glycerin. Now, you can either add your glycerin in the surfactant phase, or you can add it in the next phase, which is the phase B. But I added it here in the phase B. This is also a humectant that will help to attract moisture, help to keep the skin hydrated, help to draw moisture from the environment. It is a beautiful, beautiful, versatile humectant, and it is used in a lot of skincare products. Okay, now see how beautiful that has blended in. Remember, you need to use high purity ingredients. Stop cutting corners and looking for cheap ingredients. Ingredients are not cheap. If you find them unnecessarily cheap, that means they are mixing stuff in it. You see how the maltodextrin dissolved completely in this phase because it is water soluble, and it should dissolve completely in water. Now, next we're going to add Panthenol. I went ahead to add niacinamide, but I didn't know I didn't have the footage. So we added niacinamide, which is also a skin lightener and also will help to stabilize and, you know, keep the skin hydrated and safe. We also added Panthenol, which is also a humectant and a soothing ingredient, and it also helps to moisturize and repair the skin barrier. So you see that because this is a skin whitening product, it is basically a bleaching product. I don't want to use the word bleaching because I don't want them to come for me, but yeah. And then next we are going to add our main skin barrier protectant, which is our yeast beta glucan. This particular ingredient provides intense hydration for your skin. It soothes inflammation, it strengthens the skin barrier, and it also promotes anti-aging benefits by boosting collagen production. So we're going to add that here, and we're going to stir this to make sure everything is well incorporated. Now, this is our surfactant phase that has dissolved completely. You want to make sure everything dissolves well. Now, if you're finding it difficult to dissolve your products completely and you don't want to keep it on the heat for too long, go ahead and add like I said, propylene glycol. Propylene glycol will help the SCI and the SLSA dissolve beautifully. Okay, so here we have our two phases. We have our active phase and we have our surfactant phase. Now Panthenol has not dissolved completely, and we also need our surfactant phase to cool down to at least below 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, and yeah, so we're going to leave that to sit for a few hours and then we'll come back and continue. Now, if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe down below and turn on the post notification bell so you are notified when we post new videos. If you like to get any of our courses, we have a variety of them. If you like to get the concentrate course or the hydroquinone course, please send us a message using the link in the description bar to get all the information. Now, we're going to make sure our product is covered so we don't have debris falling into it. This, after a few hours, this is what we have. We're going to go ahead and mix both phases together. Like I said earlier, this is a product that is supposed to be in a foaming container. You know those foaming containers that when you pump it, it gives you foam instead of like a gel consistency. I'm going to leave a picture for you guys to see. But since my container didn't come on time, I stored it in a regular container. But that's the essence of the consistency of this particular wash. Now, if you want it as a gel, I've said it more than once, if you want it as a gel, you want to go ahead and add propylene glycol and also increase the percentage of your SCI, which is your primary surfactant. Okay, this is a beginner friendly formula and I don't want to complicate things too much, So I'm trying as much as possible to stay um in the beginner level. I know a lot of you will say, Sele, your formulas are too complicated, they are too advanced. These days I'm trying to bring you simple formulas that are effective and will give you the results that you want. Now, as a skincare formulator, if you're looking to stand out, if you want to stand out in the skincare industry, you can't be looking for basic formulas. I keep telling people, even when you take courses, some people say, oh, it's difficult for me to find the ingredients. Now, I don't source my ingredients in Nigeria. That's why I say, if you are taking any of my courses, we help you, we give you suppliers to source your ingredients. Now, you want to go ahead and add preservative, very very important. And for this preservative, or for this formula, we're using Euxyl K712, and this is a very strong broad spectrum preservative. It is very strong with broad spectrum efficacy against bacteria, against yeast, against molds, right? So we're using it here because it has all these properties, and it is also a natural, a certified natural preservative. So if your products are tagged natural, you can use this product in your, in this preservative in your products as a natural preservative. Now, like I said earlier, this product is supposed to be in a foaming bottle, but because I don't have that bottle, I am storing it here. But if you want to create this formula as a gel, please go ahead and increase the percentage of the SCI, and then add propylene glycol. Make sure you are balancing your formula so you have 100% at the end of the day. So this is what we have after everything. Let's just go ahead and see how this particular product foams. Don't you see how beautiful this is? So let's see how it lathers, because that's one of the most important things when you are making your washes and all of that, because a lot of people will believe that the product is effective if it lathers well. And this is our lathering test, and yes, 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 it lathers beautifully. Now you can use this product on your face, you can use it on your body, and you will get whitened skin in as little as 1 month. I am not kidding you. Now, if you want to learn more about skin lightening products, you can take our skin whitening specialized course, which is a very powerful training if you're trying to get your skincare formulation game to the next level. You're going to learn the science of pigmentation and how skin whitening works. That's the mechanism and the safety. You're going to learn formulation, lab formulations like wash, cream, serums, and all of that. You're also going to learn how to use hydroquinone and stabilize it to get a powerful result. You're going to learn regulatory compliance, labeling. There's so many things that you're going to learn, and this particular course also carries a suppliers list. So you're going to get suppliers list where you can get your ingredients from, and it is a self-taught lesson. If you like this formula and you want to get the version that we actually sell to our customers, because we have more advanced version that we sell to our customers, send us a WhatsApp message and we will give you all the information that you want. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, effective skin whitening is about results plus safety. So if you're looking for products that will, or videos that will give you that safety and peace of mind, stay with us and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, guys, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye.